The editor says that they typically steer away from liquid eyeshadows, but couldn't resist the glittery. Words are hard. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old and love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the Allure November box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I am excited to get my Allure box. It is a little late, but I'm going to dig on in and let's see what we got. For anyone who isn't aware of what the Allure Beauty Box is about, Allure is a beauty magazine with editors who review products, and they have a nice little Allure little symbol that they put on various sites to indicate that they like and endorse a product. All right, this subscription costs $23 a month now, and you get 6 to 7 products. At least 3 are guaranteed to be full size. It does come with a little pamphlet, which will have the descriptions and prices of the products inside. All right, let's grab the first one and get started. What is this? Looks to be some kind of a sample. It's from Acure. It's an ultra-hydrating 12-hour facial moisturizer. Oh, interesting. I like for a sample. It's not a foil, it's like a plastic pack, but this is nice because then you can seal it on up. Let's see what Allure has to say about this product. Alright, so the Acure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer, the full size retails for $18.99, and you can get it at the Acure.com website. This editor says that they applied it in the morning, and then for going serums and toners, they said the cream isn't heavy or thick. It has more of a whipped texture. As the day progressed, they never needed to reapply. And then they tried it at night, and when they woke up, their skin felt hydrated. All right. I am always into trying new skincare items, so I'm excited to give this a try. All right, on to the next item. Ooh, this is quite large. What is this? Dermelect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Oh, that sounds fancy. Let's see what the editors had to say about this one. All right, so this product retails for $42, and this is full size. The editor says that since they started using it, the tiny bumps they tend to get on their chin and nose have gone down significantly. The serum contains salicylic acid and glycolic acid that help with congestion and promote cell turnover. It also has vitamin C. Ooh, I'm going to look online, and if I can find it, I'll list the ingredients on the screen. All right, I love a good serum. All right, on to the next item. Oh, I am familiar with this brand. This is from Manna Kadar Beauty, and this is step 3 of called Lip Bliss. It's a moisturizing lip mask. Interesting that we got step 3. Curious if we have step 1 and 2 in the box. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. All right, so the Manna Kadar Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask retails for $22. And the editor says that when they applied it at nighttime and they woke up with smoother, more supple lips, during the day the treatment functioned like a super hydrating gloss. And their lips went from cracked and peeling to plump and cushiony. All right, so this time of year, you can never have too many lip products. All right, let's see what the next item is. All right, so we have a tiny jar, some sort of a cream. What is this? Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. And it's by NatureLab. Not familiar with that brand, so let's see what Allure has to say. All right, so I presume this product is a sample size. I will list any information on the screen. The editor says that during the pandemic, they only wash their hair like once every 10 days, and this product helps to get rid of the buildup and gunk and makes their hair feel silky, smooth, and soft. All right, that sounds like a great product. On to the next item. All right, what is this? We have from Joséphine something known as Eye Dazzle, which is a natural long wear liquid eyeshadow. Interesting packaging, very sleek. So doe foot here, let's give it a swatch. Oh, it's shimmery and kind of bronze colored. It's very lovely. All right, let's see what the card has to say. All right, so the Joséphine Cosmetics Eye Dazzle Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow in the shade Leona retails for $30. The editor says that they typically steer away from liquid eyeshadows, but couldn't resist the glittery, words are hard. But she couldn't resist the glittery rose gold shade of Leona. All right. It is a very pretty coppery, I'd say it's more copper than rose gold, but it's lovely. All right, on to the next item. What is this? This does seem to be a small sample of something. It is from Real Ferment Micro Essence Neogen. Reading words on the bottle make no sense. I'm going to check out what the pamphlet has to say. Alrighty, so Neogen Dermalogy Real Ferment Micro Essence. Ooh, I saw the word micro. Is this meant for micro needling? The full size retails for $38. I'm going to assume this is not the full size, but alright. The editor from Allure says that this mini bottle of product is spiked with rice and yeast ferments, which improve the skin's microbiome. She sprinkles the essence onto her hand, which has a faint scent of sake, and then proceeds with the rest of her skincare routine. All right, I am pseudo into Korean skincare routines. I don't do quite 10 steps, but I do 3 to 5 steps every day. All right, that's an interesting and different product. On to the next item. Okay, so we have from SkinMedica an Instant Bright Eye Mask. The full size retails for $48. This is a sample. You get 6 sets of 2 patches for $48. All right, I don't do a lot of face masks, but I will do eye masks, so I'm excited to give this one a try. All right, next item. All right, this is from Wen, and I presume this is a face mask. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. This here is the Wen The Last Choice Sheet Mask. The editor says that not only does the sheet mask make their combination skin glow, but their face looks and feels like they drank a gallon of water, so it's very hydrating. All right, let's recap what we got in the box this month. We got a lot of products this month, more than the 6 to 7. So we got a serum from Dermelect. We got from Manna Kadar a lip product from a brand I'm not familiar with. We got an essence. We got from Acure a 12-hour hydration sample. From When, we got a face mask. From SkinMedica, we got some eye masks. And from NatureLab, we got a hair scrub. And from Joséphine, we got an eyeshadow, a cream eyeshadow. That's quite the haul. All right, I'm going to list on the screen the total of the box, and let me know your thoughts. Did you think this was a good box this month? Was it worth $23? I paid for a year in advance. I got a fantastic box for doing so. You can watch that video, which had a good price value. And when you pay for the year, it makes this box cost $13.75 per month. So for me, this box is great. Leave your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about this box. And also let me know what product I received was your favorite. All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you who watches the videos on my channel. If you aren't yet subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who are, thank you. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Leave me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to leave a comment. All right, thanks everyone.